Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log into your Tinder account in a Tinder application. So you have a Tinder account that you use in a Tinder application. You use that account for online dating and other purposes, and now you want to log into that account using a new device or using the same device for some reason, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to log into your Tinder account using a Tinder application in a very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to log into your Tinder account is open the Tinder application, install it in your mobile device. If you don't have the Tinder application, you can download it from the Play Store or the App Store according to your device. So once you have the Tinder application, open the Tinder application. Now once you open the Tinder application, you'll see an interface like this. Now here you have three options to log into your Tinder account. One, you can use a Google account as a Tinder account. The other is you can use a Facebook account as a Tinder account. Then the third one is you can use a phone number to create an independent Tinder account, then log into that account as well. So if you have created an independent Tinder account using a phone number, choose that option. I'll show you the process of doing that, because the process of logging into a Google account and Facebook account is pretty simple. You just have to tap on that option and enter your credentials, then you log into a Google account as well. So choose the option whichever you want to choose. Then I'll choose the phone number for now. So now if you haven't created an independent Tinder account and you choose to log into your phone number, you will initiate the account creation process rather than the account login process. So if you already have a Tinder account using your phone number, enter that phone number here. If not, if you use some new phone number, then you will initiate the account creation process. So enter the phone number that you have used while creating a Tinder account already. So once you enter a phone number, what you need to do is tap on the continue button. Now once you tap on the continue button, Tinder will send a verification code to the phone number that you've entered or phone number that you've used to create your account. As you can see, I've received the code, so what I'll do is copy the code and paste it right here. So once you enter the code, what you need to do is tap on the continue button. So as I said, if you have already created an account using that phone number, you'll straight log in to your account and you can enjoy using Tinder from there. Or if you haven't used that phone number to create an account, if you use a new phone number, you'll have to create a new account. You'll have to enter your name and upload some photos, enter your bio and everything like that. So use the phone number that you have already used while creating an account. So those are the simple steps in order to log into your Tinder account. So that will wait for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.